Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use media shortcut keys on your Natick Turbot 2. So, the Natick includes shortcut keys for volume, so you can play music, you can pause it, and of course, you can change the volume. So first, we got the function button right here. Now, if you look from the F7 to F12, you can see all of it. So here, you can go back from the F7. Now, for the F8, you can press and pause depending on what you click. And you need to click it with function, of course. Here, you can skip the song. And here, you can mute the volume. Here, you can decrease it and increase it. But if you also want to do that, you can click the plus and minus button. So let me quickly show it to you guys on the PC. Now, as you guys can see, you cannot see my function button because it's right here, but I will definitely hold it. And the first one is to go back. So nothing will happen because I do not have Spotify running or anything else. Here we can play and pause. Now here we can skip to the next one. And of course, here we can mute the volume. And now you guys can see that it is muted, unmuted, and muted. Here we can turn the volume down. It's still muted, so make sure to unmute it. And as you guys can see here, we can put it up. But we need to hold the function, because if we do not hold it, as you guys can see, nothing will happen. So, also, we got the buttons right above the touchpad right here. And if we click the plus, we can also change the volume, and the minus will decrease the volume. So that's how you guys can easily use the media shortcuts. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.